Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and friends from across the globe. This is a very exciting moment for all of us, and today is very phenomenal for all the women. And I am Azenyo Haralu, your host for today's event, and I am an executive diamond from Indus Viva. And for this, to to the significance of this rank is you have to earn 1 crore and complete certain criterias to be in this club. And I don't think it is very difficult for all our products, speaks for our business. And also we have Vibrant Viva education system to train us to become successful. And this today is extra special for all the women, and it is very significant. And before we move on, let's all seek the blessing of our Almighty by taking a minute of silent prayer. Thank you very much for your cooperation. This is a very special moment, and without wasting any more time, I would like to invite a very special person in our midst whose initiative in creating this platform had created a lot of core parties, and the count is still going on. And this had been a blessing for many people in the country, and it had blessed me and my people also out here in the interior part of my state. Though we are from the remotest part of the country, the Indus Viva had come to our home with the amazing products, and also it has touched a lot of lives by giving financial freedom. And let us all virtually welcome our most respected and our honorable chairman, Mr. C.A. Anzar, with our virtual clap.
Thank you, Azenyo Haralu. Thank you very much. Good evening to you all. Today is a great day. I can't think of a better day to launch a new product than this. Okay. So my dearest Indus Viva family, my DAC, my CEO, and my colleagues, welcome you all to the launch ceremony of a new product in our basket, a product dedicated to the superheroes of our societies and families, to our women. It's all about how much we care for them. Women has the ability to take on roles of multiple people in the same family. She's a daughter, she's a wife, a mother, sister, and beyond that. She's a teacher that never gets paid, the cook that is not always appreciated, the housekeeper that is easily overlooked, and an overall support to every single member in the family, a pillar that holds up the entire family and carries everyone together. So we at Indus Viva have been passionate about having a healthy and wealthy family because that is what we believe in as a company. We strive to bring the best of wellness to each member of the family. That is when we wondered, what is a befitting gift to the all-rounder of a family? That is how the product iCare was conceived. This product has been crafted with the best of ingredients to suit the needs of women. The herbal ingredients, the nutrients, and all other components have been handpicked to give the best of the benefits. This product was developed with a goal of helping women to navigate through the uncertain and possibly uncomfortable time of their menopause. This is a time of many imbalances in the hormone levels, which cause various symptoms like hot flushes, fatigue, sweating, which also disrupts one's mental health and well-being. This product hopes to ease these symptoms and their effects. Our R&D department have selected the best herbs and ingredients, combining the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda with the modern technology of phytochemicals, essentially gaining the benefits of both the worlds. The ingredients has been processed in the class facilities as per the traditions and procedures mentioned in Ayurvedic text and power packed in the form of a beverage for a convenient consumption. As far as the ingredients are concerned, to start with, you can call it a turmeric extract or a bioavailable curcumin, which is known to antagonize the negative effects of free radicals caused by stress and reduced symptoms associated with the damage of the same. Boswellia serrata, taken from the treasures of Ayurveda, helps reduce pains of the joint, muscles, and bones and various arthritic related issues, at the same time strengthening them at the same time, allowing for longer times of work and productivity. All the work and productivity can lead to a hectic day, taking care of everyone's needs but their own. That's why an ingredient called valerian extract acts as the calming ingredient, which can give them a chance to relax after a long day's toil. Further, it is supplemented with minerals, micronutrients. This product is a perfect complement to the all-rounders in our lives. Indus Viva, through its new amazing product, iCare, is positively pushed forward in the movement of women empowerment by providing them with the best of wellness to ensure health and comfort in their womanhood. Danny Merrichild said, the great author, a woman is a full circle. With her is the power to create, nurture, and transform. We at Indus Viva want to help women maintain this full circle without any compromise. Today is the day to show your love and admiration to all the significant people in your lives, not just your partners. What better way to express it than to give all the important people in your lives the gift of health. And with that, I present to you another achievement, another product to add to our range. iCare, crafted from Mother Nature for the mothers of our society. Ladies and gentlemen, here is iCare for you. Thank you.
Thank you, Ansar sir, for the successful launching of the new product. Today is a very special day, the day of launching iCare. Coincidentally fall on Valentine's Day. So it's a very significant and beautiful achievement in the history of Indus Viva. And I am very excited, me representing the whole women in our entire country. I congratulate the research and development branch for bringing out this wonderful product for all the ladies in the country. And we look forward to a better health with the journey of iCure. And now I will give a brief introduction of Dr. Priya Darshani B. She is a senior obstetrician and gynecologist with 12 plus years of experience, currently working at Viva Healthcare Bangalore. And our doctor is also associated with multiple prime hospitals in Bangalore, like the Narayana Super Specialty Hospital and Saptagiri Medical College Hospital. She is a lifetime member of prestigious medical societies like Bangalore Society of Obstetrics and Gynecology, Association of Gynecologic Oncologists of India, and Indian Medical Association. So over to the short video of Dr. Priya Darshani.
Hi, I'm Dr. Priya Darshani. I'm a practicing gynecologist with 12 plus years of experience. I'm currently working in Viva Healthcare Nagarbavi, Bangalore. I have been associated with multiple prime hospitals in Bangalore like Narayana Super Specialty Hospital, Saptagiri Institute of Medical Sciences and Sidbin Hospital. I'm also a lifetime member of prestigious medical societies like Bangalore Society of Obstetrics and Gynecology, Association of Gynec Oncologists of India, and Indian Medical Association. In my clinic, several women patients about 35 years of age complain of menstrual irregularities. 80% of Indian women live without realizing their impaired hormonal issues, where they require compulsory health assistance. Mainly hypothyroidism, polycystic ovarian disease, diabetes, stress, depression, obesity, hypertension are the commonly diagnosed hormonal disorders seen in women with improper treatment. 68% of women population over 35 years suffer with joint pains. Depressive stress disorders account for close to 40% of the disability among women as compared to 30% among men. Due to stressful, sedentary lifestyle and improper eating habits, many women are prone for hormonal imbalance, nutritional deficiencies, and depression, anxiety disorders, leading to a vicious cycle of multiple diseases like diabetes, hypertension, obesity, and osteoporosis. These are basically lifestyle disorders and require some lifestyle modification, which include more physical activity, diet which are rich in proteins, iron, calcium, and good sleep. WHO says a healthy diet helps to protect against non-communicable diseases including diabetes, heart disease, stroke, and cancer. Women have to handle multiple roles and responsibilities in their life as mother, wife, working woman. Hence, she has special nutrient needs during each stage of her life, which necessitates her for health supplements. iCare from Indus Viva is a wellness product which provides comprehensive support for overall women's health. iCare is a unique natural formulation derived from the basics of Ayurveda, which contains curcumin, boswellia, asparagus, and valerian roots. Curcumin has antioxidant and immune booster properties. Boswellia has anti-inflammatory properties. Asparagus extracts helps manage menstrual irregularities and also supports hormonal health. Valerian root supports stress and balances mental health and wellness in women. iCare is 100% natural product and can be safely consumed by women about 35 years.
Well, That was the short video by Dr. Darshani. And now moving on, we will have a display of testimonies of eye care in image format. Display of testimonies of eye care in image format. All right, thank you. Now, moving on to the next, I will give a brief introduction of our own Dr. Balu Kolar. He is MD, Doctor of Medicine in Ayurveda, and FRAS, Fellow of Royal Asiatic Society of United Kingdom and Northern Ireland. Presently, our heading the Product Development Department of Indus Viva Health Sciences Bangalore since 4 years. And doctor has 15 years experience in pharma industry, handled Ayurvedic, Ayurvedic wellness segment, herbals, active pharmaceutical ingredients, intermediates, cosmetic, FMCG, food, dietary supplement, beverages and nutraceutical medical devices, animal health and baby care. He has 7 international publications, major industries work, and drug companies, Bangalore and Dubai, that is Himalaya, and Jagdale Industries Limited, Bangalore and Germany, in Q Farm Group, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia and Germany, wellness product trainer, proficient in MLM, community commerce based training on products since many years. And he is a membership of Ayush Board, Government of India. Now over to Dr. Balu Kolar.
So thanks a lot, Ms. Azeno, for that brief introduction. I hope I am audible to everyone. First of all, very good afternoon to everybody. So first of all, I would like to thank the Honorable Chairman of the company, Mr. C.A. Anzar, for taking this wonderful initiative to launch this awesome wellness product called as Eye Care. I would also like to thank the CEO of the company, Mr. Abhilash, and all my corporate colleagues as well for this wonderful achievement and accomplishment as well. Friends, andariki namaskaralu. Sabko mera namaskar. Anaivarakku nandri. Ellavarukku namaskaram. A very good afternoon to everybody. But ee roju nenu Telugulo maatladtanu. So okay language naaku icharu, so okay language lo nenu maatladta unnanu. So please North Indians excuse me on this. So later on, I think when the KYP start, I would be able to talk to you in various other languages as well. So dear Vivites, andariki namaskaram. మీ అందరికీ ఒక శుభవార్త. అది ఏంటంటే ఇండస్ వివా ఒక ప్రపంచ స్థాయి ప్రోడక్ట్ ని ఆడవారి ఆరోగ్య కోసం పరిచయం చేస్తుంది. అదే మన ఐ కేర్. మీకు ఈ విషయాలు తెలుసా? మొదటిది, 80% ఇండియన్ మహిళలు హార్మోన్ల సమస్యలు ఉన్నాయని తెలియకుండా జీవిస్తున్నారు. తప్పనిసరి వాడి ఆరోగ్యం ఈ ఒక ప్రత్యక్షం అవసరం. 68% 68% మహిళలు 35 సంవత్సరాలు పైబడిన వారు కీళ్ల నొప్పులతో బాధపడుతున్నారు. మానసిక ఒత్తిడి వలన మహిళలో 42% బాధితులు, అదే మగవారిలో 30% బాధితులుగా ఉన్నారు. ఐ కేర్ అనేది ఒక న్యూట్రిషనల్ సప్లిమెంట్. ఇది 35 సంవత్సరాల పైబడిన వారి కోసం ప్రత్యేకంగా పరిశోధన చేసి తయారు చేశాం. ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్ ని ప్రత్యేకంగా సహజ సిద్ధంగా ఆయుర్వేద బేసిక్స్ మరియు పేటెంటెడ్ కర్క్యుమిన్ అంటే పసుపు అంటారు, బాస్వెలియా అంటే అందూగ బంక అంటారు, ఆస్పరాగస్ అంటే శతావరి అంటారు, వలేరియన్ అంటే జటామాంసి అంటారు. ఈ వేరు ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్స్ ద్వారా మేము ఇన్క్యుమిన్ ఫ్యూషన్ అనే ఒక పేటెంటెడ్ ప్రాపరేటరీ బ్లెండ్ మేము చేశాము. ఇది సహజ సిద్ధమైన పీచ్ పండు మిశ్రమం కలిగి ఉంటుంది. ఇది మహిళల సంపూర్ణ ఆరోగ్యం కోరుకు మద్దతు ఇస్తుంది. క్రమం తప్పకుండా ఐ కేర్ తీసుకోవడం వలన సంపూర్ణ ఆరోగ్యం మీకు కలుగుతుంది. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీకు ప్రాబబ్లీ ఇది అర్థమైంది అనుకున్నా నేను. సో ఐ కేర్ యొక్క ప్రయోజనాలు ఏంటంటే, మొదటిది ఆడవారిలో హార్మోన్లు సమతుల్యం చేస్తుంది, పోస్ట్ మెనోపాజల్ సిండ్రోమ్ యొక్క ప్రతికూల ప్రభావాలను తగ్గిస్తుంది, ఆరోగ్యకరమైన జీర్ణక్రియకు మద్దతు ఇస్తుంది, ఒత్తిడి ఆందోళన తగ్గిస్తుంది, రోగ నిరోధక శక్తిని బలపరుస్తుంది, ఇనుము మరియు ఖనిజాలతో సమృద్ధిగా ఉంటుంది, నిద్రలేమని తగ్గించడానికి సహాయపడుతుంది. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఐ కేర్ అనేది స్త్రీలకి మహిళలకి భోజనానికి అరగంట ముందు రోజుకు 2 సార్లు 30 మిల్లీలీటర్లు, అవసరమైతే దీనిని సమాన ప్రమాణంలో నీటితో కలపవచ్చు యాక్చువల్లీ. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇది కొంచెం మాత్రమే నేను ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్ గురించి ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాను. తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ నుంచి కేవైపీలో ఈ ఒక కొత్త ప్రోడక్ట్ ని కూడా మేము యాడ్ చేయబోతున్నాము. సో కంప్లీట్లీ మన ఆంధ్ర తెలంగాణ మందికి ఈ ఒక మంచి ప్రోగ్రామ్ మేము ఇవ్వబోతున్నాము. ఆ ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో కంప్లీట్లీ సంపూర్ణమైన ఒక జ్ఞానం ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్ పైన మేము ఇస్తాము. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Thank you, Dr. Balu. Now we will have a short speech by Dr. Shankar. But before that, I will give a brief introduction about Dr. Shankara. MBBS MD, 6 years of experience in clinical research and pharmaceuticals. He successfully launched many health products in diabetes and cancer treatment. Dr. Shankara is currently working as Deputy Manager, Product Development at Indus Viva. So over to Dr. Shankara.
Thank you, Ajanju Harlo, for your kind introduction about me. First of all, I thank Anzar sir and Ablash sir for bringing out this innovative product for all women across India as well as globe. And also all the team who has put a lot of efforts to bring out this product. So I thank all of them. And today I'll be talking in Hindi because the language which is assigned to me is Hindi. So I'll be presenting my presentation in Hindi language. So dear Vivites, सब लोगों को मेरा नमस्कार और इस न्यू प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च कार्यक्रम में आप सबका हार्दिक सुस्वागत। आप सब लोगों के लिए ये अच्छी खबर है क्योंकि इंडस विवा ने आज महिलाओं के स्वास्थ्य कल्याण के लिए आई केयर नामक के विश्व स्तरीय उत्पाद प्रारंभ किया है। 80% भारतीय महिलाएं अपने बिगड़े हुए हार्मोन मुद्दों को महसूस किए बिना रहती हैं, जहां उन्हें अनिवार्य स्वास्थ्य सहायता की आवश्यकता होती है। और 68% महिलाएं जोड़ों के दर्द से पीड़ित है और अवसादग्रस्तता और तनाव विकार ऐसे मानसिक विकार भी महिलाओं में कॉमन है और ये 42% करीब है। तो इन सब समस्या के लिए इंडस विवा ने एक अद्भुत प्रोडक्ट बनाया है, वो है आई केयर। आई केयर एक नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट है और 35 साल से अधिक उम्र की महिलाओं के लिए विशेष रूप से बनाया गया एक पोषण पूरक है। यह आयुर्वेद की मूल बातों से उत्पन्न एक अद्वितीय प्राकृतिक सूत्रीकरण है और वैज्ञानिक रूप से पेटेंट किए गए इंक्यूमिन फ्यूजन के साथ मान्य है। आई केयर में हल्दी है, शल्यकी है, शतावरी, जटामांसी है, ये सब का मिश्रण है। ये सब हल्दी, शल्यकी, शतावरी, जटामांसी ये सब में औषधीय गुण है जो महिलाओं के कॉमन डिसऑर्डर्स जो अभी हमने डिस्कस किए वो सब में वो बेनिफिशियल है। और इसके साथ में ये आड़ू फल के प्राकृतिक अच्छाई से समृद्ध है। सो ओवरऑल ये समग्र रूप से महिलाओं के अच्छी समर्थन करता है। नियमित रूप से सेवन करने से आई केयर समग्र महिला स्वास्थ्य का समर्थन करता है। आई केयर का लाभ क्या है? बहुत सारे लाभ है आई केयर के हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स। सो आई केयर हार्मोनों का संतुलित करता है। महिलाओं में थायराइड, पीसीओडी, मोटापा, ये सब बहुत सारे कॉमन है और ये सब कंडीशंस में आई केयर बहुत लाभदायक है। मासिक धर्म लक्षण और रजोनिवृत्ति के बाद के सिंड्रोम, इसको हम पोस्ट मेनोपॉजल सिंड्रोम बोलते हैं और प्री मेंस्ट्रुअल सिंड्रोम बोलते हैं। ये सब में हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस हो जाता है और इससे बॉडी पे नेगेटिव असर हो जाता है और ऐसे संदर्भ में प्रतिकूल प्रभावों को ये कम करता है आई केयर। और स्वास्थ्य, पाचन और मल त्याग का समर्थन करता है और महिलाओं का तनाव, चिंता और अवसाद का कम करता है। महिलाओं का आजकल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी ज्यादा हो गया है, इसके वजह से उनका फिजिकल प्रेशर और मेंटल प्रेशर दोनों बढ़ जाता है। इन सब चीजों में उनको तनाव, चिंता, इसका समस्या ज्यादा हो सकता है। सो ये सब चीजों में आई केयर का बहुत सारे लाभ मिल सकता है। हड्डियों के मजबूत बनाता है और प्रतिरक्षा प्रणाली मतलब इम्यूनिटी को बूस्ट करता है और इसके साथ में इसमें आयरन और मिनरल्स का भरपूर है। इससे इसके वजह से उनका ब्लड में जो कमी है वो इम्प्रूवमेंट होता है और इसके साथ में अनिद्रता को भी कम करने में ये मदद करता है। ये सारे आई केयर को रेगुलरली इस्तेमाल करने से, नियमित रूप से इस्तेमाल करने से ये सब लाभ उन्हें मिल जाता है। सो इसको प्रतिदिन कैसे कंजम्पशन करना है, इसको हर दिन 30 मिलीलीटर प्रतिदिन 2 बार भोजन से आधा घंटे पहले पीना है। आवश्यकता पड़ने पर इसको पानी में समान मात्रा में मिला के भी पी सकते हैं। तो इस कार्यक्रम में भाग लेने के लिए मैं आप सब लोगों को मेरा धन्यवाद कहना चाहता हूँ एंड ऑल द बेस्ट माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। नमस्कार।
Thank you very much, Dr. Shankara. Now we will listen to Tree Distributor Advisory Council member. First, we will be inviting the first Royal Black Diamond in Indus Viva, and let's welcome him with a big round of applause.
नमस्ते नमस्ते इंडस विवा के परिवार सभी लोगों को नमस्कार एल्रिगू नमस्कार good afternoon to all lovely Vivites. So let me begin with a very famous shloka. The shloka is like this. Let me share it. I think all of you can see it here. The shloka says, a very ancient shloka, that is yatra naryastu pujyante ramante tatra devataha, which means where women are honored, divinity blossoms. And today, Indus Viva has taken the first step to make this happen. So first of all, thank you very much to our Indus Viva management for taking this wonderful step of bringing in a product which is completely women oriented. And I strongly believe that women are the superheroes in our life. As our honorable chairman mentioned here, they play the multiple roles. I can tell you, I may be a Royal Black Diamond as our respected Azanu ma'am invited me, but one day without my wife at home, you will know what the Royal Black Diamond can do, right? So this is the role every woman plays in the lives of, us, like a sister, a mother, a wife, and a good friend in all ways. So the right word to say to a woman who takes care of us is that she is actually completing our life. And I think the title I Care is very much apt today. And my gift to my better half today is going to be this wonderful product called I Care. In fact, I've already given her before itself, since the company had given me an earlier sample. And I have also given this to my mother because she also is going to be loving this product. So first of all, thanks to Indus Viva management for bringing up such a wonderful product. And I'm damn sure that as the E&Y report, along with FICCI, they are saying that 2024, the Indian direct selling industry is going to be dominated by two categories of people. The first one is definitely women. And the second one is going to be youth. So I think this is really very evident that Indus Viva as a company where we respect women, we will be definitely spearheading that vision of seeing the women dominate this direct selling industry. So I really want to congratulate each one of you for participating in today's program. And I'm damn sure that this product is going to be another super booster added up to each one of our business, because we have a lot of women entrepreneurs in our teams, and I'm very sure in the coming days all the women entrepreneurs are going to take this product to nook and corner of this country. And as the shloka was telling, where women is honored, divinity blossoms. So my dear friends, let's see that Indus Viva becomes a platform where maximum women empowerment happens through this wonderful product and the unparalleled compensation plan of Indus Viva, making all the women entrepreneurs to take over this industry in style and handle it in one such wonderful manner. The way they manage the kitchen, the way they manage the house, the way they manage the kids, the same way. Let's see how the women entrepreneurs are going to take this business forward through this amazing product. So once again, I want to thank our honorable chairman for such a fantastic product, our respected CEO, and all the people, the entire corporate team who were behind this product working relentlessly. And I'm damn sure that this is going to be a game changer product. Game changer product. Thank you, Azinu ma'am, for the opportunity. And ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆದಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಮೂಲೆ ಮೂಲೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ತಲುಪಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಹಾಗೂ ತಲುಪಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರದೇ ಆದಂತ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಾದಂತ ಒಂದು ಅಳಿಲು ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಿನ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಅಕ್ಕ, ತಂಗಿ, ಅಮ್ಮ, ವೈಫ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈ ಐ ಕೇರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಿನ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾವು ತಿಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಜೈ ಇಂಡಸ್ ವಿವಾ.
Thank you, Prem sir, for the wonderful speech in English and Kannada. And now the next speech will be by Dr. Sumit Batra, my upline and mentor, who had taught me the proper education to take my team forward. And let's welcome him with a big round of applause.
Thank you, Azina madam. Thank you very much. A very, very good afternoon to everyone. And thank you, our honorable chairman, our respected CEO, Dr. Balu, and entire corporate team, and especially the team who has developed this amazing product. दोस्तों, ये प्रोडक्ट जो आई केयर है, इसके बारे में जब मुझे मालूम पड़ा, सो एक चीज को मैं बहुत सालों से बहुत क्लोजली देख रहा हूं कि इंडिया में, स्पेशली एशियन कंट्रीज के अंदर, जो वुमेन्स हैं बेसिकली, उनके साथ जो चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल हार्मोनल चैलेंजेस ले लीजिए या ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस ले लीजिए, ये जो चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं, ये चैलेंजेस बहुत मेजर चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं, राइट? और इन चैलेंजेस का कोई परमानेंट, कोई सही सॉल्यूशन इट वाज मिसिंग, नॉट इन डायरेक्ट सेलिंग, इट वाज एक्चुअली मिसिंग इन द न्यूट्रोसिटिकल इंडस्ट्री. कहीं ना कहीं मिसिंग था. मुझे जब इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में मालूम पड़ा और इसके इंग्रेडिएंट्स के बारे में, स्पेशली कर्कुमिनाइड्स इसके अंदर यूज किया गया है, बाकी जो हर्ब्स हैं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा गेम चेंजर होगा. इनफैक्ट इंडस विवा इज चेंजिंग लाइफ्स, यू नो. इंडस विवा बहुत सारी जिंदगियों में बदलाव ला रही है इन टर्म्स ऑफ गुड हेल्थ एंड ऑफ कोर्स वेल्थ एंड लाइफस्टाइल. मगर आई केयर अपने आप में मुझे ऐसा लगता है, बिकॉज हर इंसान चाहता है कि मेरी मदर हेल्दी रहे, हर इंसान चाहता है कि मेरी वाइफ हेल्दी रहे, मेरे घर में जितनी भी वुमेन्स हैं, जितने भी फीमेल्स हैं, वो सब हेल्दी रहें. और अगर हमारे नेशन की वुमेन्स हेल्दी रहेंगी तो आप सोचिए, यू नो, कितना अच्छा रहेगा. अगर आज हम बात कर रहे हैं कि 35 से ऊपर की जितनी भी वुमेन्स हैं, उन सब के साथ ये चैलेंजेस हैं, एंड दिस इज बाय नेचर, ये चैलेंजेस हैं. और अगर इन चैलेंजेस को, अगर आई केयर जिस तरह से साइंटिफिकली ये प्रोडक्ट डेवलप किया गया है, अगर ये चैलेंजेस को यू नो ओवरकम कर गया, और अगर आगे जाकर जिस तरह से हम इस प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं, हमारी जो साइंटिफिक बॉडी है जिन्होंने इस प्रोडक्ट पर रिसर्च की है, सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, अगर मैं बिजनेस की बात करूं तो सच में आई केयर अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी जगह लेने वाला है, और आप सबके घर में आज से बढ़िया कोई दिन नहीं है। आज आप हम सब के लिए एक बहुत बढ़िया दिन है। टुडे इज अ वैलेंटाइंस डे, सो you should gift your mother, you should gift your sister, you should gift your wife a wonderful Valentine gift in the form of amazing eye care, because इससे बढ़िया तोहफा आपकी मदर के लिए, आपकी वाइफ के लिए, आपकी बहन के लिए कुछ और नहीं हो सकता। बिकॉज आई केयर दीजिए और उनको एक सही हेल्थ दीजिए, एंड इससे बढ़िया दिन आई केयर को लॉन्च करने का हो ही नहीं सकता था, क्योंकि आज जिससे हम प्यार करते हैं उसे हम इतना बढ़िया चीज देने वाले हैं जिनसे उनकी हेल्थ में बहुत सारे चेंजेस आएंगे। सो थैंक यू सो मच अगेन।
Thank you very much, Sumit sir, for your wonderful speech in Hindi. Now, the third speech will go to Mr. Sujit Khan, the first Black Diamond Ambassador in Indus Viva. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Azino ma'am. Good afternoon to everybody. Good afternoon, my dear Vivates. Are you excited? Really? So, first of all, thank you, our beloved chairman Ansar sir and CEO Abhilash Thomas sir and all the corporate. பிகாஸ் இன்னைக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமான ஒரு நாள். எப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா, மார்க்கெட் பொட்டன்ஷியல் இப்ப எல்லா மக்களும் சொல்லியாச்சு. ஐ கேர் பியூட்டிஃபுல் ப்ராடக்ட், டாக்டர்ஸ் வந்து பேசியாச்சு, நம்ம டீம் டெவலப் பண்ண டாக்டர்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்தாச்சு, டாக்டர் பாலு கோலர் வந்தாச்சு, எல்லாரும் சொல்லியாச்சு வண்டர்ஃபுல் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ், அதுல டவுட்டே கிடையாது. இண்டஸ்வா இது வரைக்கும் கொண்டு வந்த ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். இன்னைக்கு எல்லாம் வந்து சூப்பர் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ். நம்ம ஆல் ப்ராடக்ட் நம்ம பாத்தீங்கன்னா சயின்ஸ் பேக்ரவுண்ட் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் மட்டும் கொண்டு வந்து இது வரைக்கும் ரெவல்யூஷன் கிரியேட் பண்ண ஒரு கம்பெனி இன்னைக்கு ரொம்ப நாளா எதிர்பார்த்து ஒரு வருஷமா, எத்தனையோ வருஷமா வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தது ஐ கேர். இன்னைக்கு ஒரு வேலண்டைன்ஸ் டேல வந்து இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் லான்ச் பண்றதுல ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம், ரொம்ப ஹாப்பி. சோ மை டியர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நான் சொல்ற ஒரு பாயிண்ட், மார்க்கெட்ல இது வாட்ச் பண்ற நிறைய மக்கள் இருக்கு. இந்த மார்க்கெட் பொட்டன்ஷியல் நீங்க பாருங்க. எப்ப பார்த்தாலும் பீப்புள் வந்து கேட்கிற ஒரு கேள்வி என்ன வந்து இந்த கம்பெனி மட்டும் டிஃபரெண்டா எல்லாம் பண்ணி போயிட்டே இருக்கு. வை இண்டஸ் விவா லாஸ்ட் 25 years இந்தியாவில நெட்வொர்க் மார்க்கெட்டிங் கம்பெனி இருந்துட்டும் 7 years கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணப்ப இந்தியாவில ஆல் த ரெக்கார்ட்ஸ் பிரேக் பண்ணி ஈவன் த ஹையஸ்ட் இன்கம் மந்த்லி 1 crore சம்பாதிக்கிற பிரேம்குமார் பார்த்தசாரதி மாதிரி மக்கள், லம்போகினி கார் வாங்கிய மக்கள், இல்லைன்னா ஒரு 7 yearsக்குள்ள மோர் than 63 கரோர்பதிஸ் 1 கோடிக்கு மேல சம்பாதிச்ச மக்கள் எல்லாம் 7 வருஷத்துக்குள்ள எப்படி இந்த கம்பெனில வந்தது? அது எல்லாரும் கேட்கிற ஒரு கேள்விதான். மை டியர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நான் சொல்ற ஒரு பாயிண்ட், ஆல் நெட்வொர்க் மார்க்கெட்டிங் கம்பெனி இன் இந்தியா ஒரு ஸ்டோரி டெல்லிங்குக்கு பின்னாடி போகும்போது, ஆல் நெட்வொர்க் மார்க்கெட்டிங் கம்பெனிஸ் வந்து சிமிலர் ப்ராடக்ட் கொடுக்கும்போது, இண்டஸ்வா கம்பெனி மட்டும் வந்து வெரி ரேர் ப்ராடக்ட், யார கையிலும் கிடைக்காத யுனிக் ப்ராடக்ட், யார மைண்டிலும் வராத ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் அவர் மார்க்கெட்ல கொண்டு வரதுனாலதான் இன்னைக்கு இந்த கம்பெனில 7 yearsக்குள்ள மக்கள் வந்து 1 crore or 63 கரோர்பதிஸ் இதெல்லாம் வருது. சோ மை கான்பிடன்ஸ் 66 crores மேலே பெண்மணிகள் இருக்கு இந்த கண்ட்ரியில. இந்தியாவிலே 66 கோடிக்கு மேலே பெண்மணிகள் இருக்கிற ஒரு கண்ட்ரி தான் இங்க. ஜஸ்ட் இமேஜின் பண்ணுங்க மை டியர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், 1% people இந்த பியூட்டிஃபுல் ப்ராடக்ட் கன்சியூம் பண்ணால் 60 lakh people ஒரு சிங்கிள் ப்ராடக்ட், 66 லட்சம் மக்கள் ஒரு சிங்கிள் ப்ராடக்ட் வாங்கியால் 25 PV, ஜஸ்ட் இமேஜின் பண்ணுங்க 16.5 crore PV ஒரு மாசம் வரும். அப்படி இருந்தா இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் வாட்ச் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிற across India, all people can finish your Black Diamond Ambassador. That is a market potential. So இன்னைக்கு டிசிஷன் எடுக்கணும், எந்த மாதிரி ப்ராடக்ட் நம்ம கையில வருது. that is very very important. எங்க மார்க்கெட்ல போனாலும் இன்னைக்கு காலையில நான் வந்து Facebookல ஒரு விஷயம் பார்த்தாச்சு. பீப்புள் வந்து ஹைலைட் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கு. என்ன ப்ராடக்ட், பேஸ்ட், பிரஷ், சோப்பு, லோஷன், ஆஃப்டர் ஷேவ், இல்லைன்னா பவுடர், அந்த மாதிரி போகும்போது இந்தியாவில ஒரு ஹை ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் பியூட்டிஃபுல் ப்ராடக்ட் எகெயின் ஒரு வருஷம் கழியும் போது ஓரோ பியூட்டிஃபுல் ப்ராடக்ட் நம்ம கையில கொண்டு வர விவா மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்டுக்கு என்னோட மனமார்ந்த நன்றி. மை டியர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இது வாட்ச் பண்ற பீப்புள் ஆல் த விவைட்ஸ் என்ஷூர் பண்ணணும் உங்களுடைய ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆர்டர். இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ரோ ஆர்டர் நீங்க என்ஷூர் பண்ணி உங்களோட கையில கொண்டு வந்து எகைன் நீங்க ஷோ பண்ணுங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஐ கேர் என் கையில கிடைச்சாச்சு. அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த வேலண்டைன்ஸ் டேல உங்களுடைய மதர், உங்களோட ஃபேமிலி மெம்பர்ஸ் எல்லாரும் அதை என்ஷூர் பண்ணி மார்க்கெட்டில் இந்த ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் வந்திருக்கு நீங்க என்ஷூர் பண்ணணும். இந்த ஐ கேர் எகைன் 2021 நெக்ஸ்ட் ரெவல்யூஷன் ப்ராடக்ட் ஆகி மாறட்டும்னு நான் சொல்லி எனக்கு இந்த வாய்ப்பு கொடுத்த விவா மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்டுக்கு நன்றி. தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you very much, Sujit sir, for your wonderful and motivating speech in Tamil. Though I didn't get most of the thing, but I got a hang of what you're saying. Thank you very much. And with that, I'm sure iCare is going to create a revolution in the life of all the Vivites, plus bless a lot of other people to empower each other, and then be a blessing to many others in the future. And also this is definitely going to create a revolution in the health segment of all the ladies. And I am very excited for this product, and now can't wait to start building new businesses, new business in other states also. And with that, we come to the end of this event, and I thank our honorable and most respected chairman and CEO for their vision in taking our business forward. And these products had been a blessing to a lot of homes. And also, I also thank our wonderful corporate for the strong backbone. And thank you all the doctors, and also all the three significant extraordinary Distributor Advisory Council member for your wonderful speech. Thank you very much.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. With that, we come to the end of the session. Thank you very much for your participation.